What's up, guys? Cameron from Slick Finish Detailing, back with another video. I know it's been a very long time since I posted absolutely anything. Content creation just gets too much for me to handle with everything that we got going on. As you guys know, we do a lot of things here, customization and detailing, that it becomes very difficult to fit all this into an everyday thing and get the content out to you guys. So I'm gonna do better on that because we have an amazing platform, Slick Finish Detailing. If you go to our Instagram, you'll see all of the work that we do, detailing, vinyl wraps, lighting installs, wheels, tons of stuff, guys. I'm gonna do better at getting the content out to you guys through YouTube, as well as through TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and all the social media platforms. But in this video, we're mainly gonna be talking about the AMG GLE53 that was dropped off by one of the Pistons players. We just got the seats back, we just got the doors back, completely reupholstered. This car and this build is getting completely redone and customized top to bottom. We're talking Starlights, we're talking new wheels, painting the calipers, obviously the upholstery work, complete vinyl wrap. This actually is our biggest build ever, equaling out to over $25,000, as well as the wheels costing over $12,000. We're talking about a $40,000 build for this Pistons player, and it's gonna be sick. So again, guys, I'm gonna do my best to get all this content out to you guys. In this video, we're gonna be really talking about the GLE53, what we got going on to it. We've already kind of been working on it over the last couple weeks. It's my bad for not getting the content, but it's okay, because like I said, this video is gonna be about the GLE. We're not gonna finish it up in this video. Probably the next couple videos we'll end up finishing it, but guys, get excited because we are back. Here's the famous GLE53, guys. Check out that liquid silver wrap. We had to order it out of the country because you will never get a wrap that looks that clean. I mean, it literally looks like paint. 24-inch Forgiato mono wheels. Original wheels were 20 inches. Upgraded to the 24s, which is a beautiful touch. Door jambs fully done in Tiffany blue, including the trunk. Trunk is done as well. The boys are working on the trunk right now, so I'm not going to open it, but those are done too. Side skirts are done, but I decided I'm removing the blue from the side skirts, and I am just going to keep them gloss black. I think that it's going to be, and you guys can tell me in the comments, I think the blue is a little bit too much on the outside. So we're going to keep the blue on the inside, keep it on the door jambs, keep it on the seats and the doors, and keep it as subtle as possible. And here comes the best part, guys. This is a party in your interior. You guys ready? The best Starlights coming out of Michigan, probably coming out of the United States. It's coming out of our shop, guys. I mean, we've done over 100 Starlights. Shooting stars are a fan favorite. 1,500 stars went into this thing. This customer is going to love it. What'd you say?
Is it worth subscribing?
Subscribing? Of course it's worth subscribing. Are you kidding me?
I'm making that 250 back.
This is the best content that anybody can ever get. Huh? Like, where else are you gonna go where they're gonna wrap cars every single day, clean cars every single day, and even see you every day?
You know, right?
I know, right? Aram.
Yes, Daddy.
What?
What?
What'd you say?
What?
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 Hey, none of that Chinese shit here, man. Only English when I'm recording. They gotta understand you.
English?
Only English, no Chinese shit.
Why do you ask this? Only why you ask that? Only the rap is Chinese.
You got a bald spot, bro.
Give me a bald view, man.
You're only 19. What do you mean? What's going on? You stressing that bad?
Yeah. So because
That's why you don't go to college.
So because of your time. Depression. Now I need to watch that video to see my bald spot.
You're gonna watch it. It's gonna take like 2-3 days, so you're not gonna see it. The only downside about this vinyl, guys, it is too sticky. It tacks way too easily. So they gotta really do this perfectly. If you're not experienced, you're not gonna be able to use this vinyl. I'm gonna be honest with you. Come on. Beautiful. Beautiful. Come on, all the way down. All the way down.
Yeah, done.
What do you mean no down? Ahoo! And that's why this vinyl sucks. Come on. You guys are rookies? It's your first wrap?
Yeah. Yeah.
The struggles of vinyl wrapping. Everybody, my boy can do it for $500. 500 full car.
I know someone that can do it cheaper.
Cheaper. I know a lot of people that can do it cheaper. Come on, man. Why you put that in your mouth? I gotta put it in my mouth later.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What's wrong with you?
It's good you only saw the mouth part.
What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for you.
Waiting for me?
Yeah. Why are you recording me, bro?
My God. This guy watches my YouTube but doesn't want to be in the YouTube.
Why don't you hope
It's not my job.
Then why do you talk so much?
My job is to record. I'm cameraman. This is why I never die.
You Cameron?
Cameron.
Cameron.
Cameron man.
Cameron
Cameron man.
man.
Yeah, you know? All right, this is what I'm going to do. We're going to cut it out, and then we're going to come back with it perfect. Ready? 3, 2. And there we go. Completely wrapped. Just like that. Only took us 3 seconds. We got Rama, he's just heating it up, making sure that it lays down properly, and making sure this thing never comes up again until we wrap it for the 16th time, because we've done this car 1,000 times. It's actually insane. But when this build is done, guys, this is gonna be the sickest GLE in the state. That is a wrap for the day, guys. First vlog back. I'm excited for more content to come. The next few days are gonna be pretty slow, so I might end up merging all of those 3 days together and just putting like a nice 15-minute video or so together. But yeah, so guys, my main goal, I'm gonna try to push out as much content as possible. Again, we have a badass platform, Slick Finish Detailing, with badass cars and work that we do that needs to be showcased to the people. So make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like this video, comment whatever you guys want to see, comment anything that you guys want to say. Honestly, I'm here for all feedback, for everything. So make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you guys like, share this to all your people, share this to your stories and everything, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.